Hi, it's Kevin. Today is September 13th, Friday. Um, and I had a morning class today. I had treatment yesterday, and I always forget after treatment, they give me, or during treatment, they give me dexamethasone. And one of the side effects that I have using dexamethasone is uncontrollable hiccups. So I think I woke up around like 3 or 4 a.m. and then I hiccuped until like 7. um, yeah, I woke my parents up around like 5 o'clock, and I didn't fall asleep until like 6 or 7. And then I had to wake up at 8 to go to class at 9:30. And after I woke up at 8, I started hiccuping again. And then that lasted until after class and then some. And yeah, there's really no way to control it. I tried water, I tried eating. My appetite isn't that good. And I've been eating like soups and water and like watery rice. Just nothing too flavorful, nothing too I don't know. I guess it's kind of like solid foods. It might be due to chemotherapy. I didn't eat that much yesterday either, just a couple of saltine / honey crackers in the afternoon, and a little bit of beef and potatoes, like one cup yesterday around 4 p.m. So I didn't eat much yesterday. I don't. And it's starting again. But yeah, it's not great. I find that the best solution is just to wait it out. It usually goes away after a day or two. It's just really annoying. But I'll take this over like throwing up or nausea. I think I'm gonna go drink some water again. But yeah, I find that when I get really focused into something, or if I'm like, sometimes when I'm sleeping, it's not, it doesn't start it. But let me just. water and hiccups do not. That was like perfectly timed. I like swallowed during a hiccup, and not good. Anyways, yeah, that's it for me today. I have a lot of homework and hiccups. I'm gonna try to get some sleep now. Hopefully they'll go away when I lay down. See you tomorrow.